Hi there, and welcome to Learn English with Podcasts, the channel that helps you speak better English, understand native speakers, and enjoy the learning journey like never before. If you've been struggling with fast English, confusing slang, or just want to sound more natural and confident, then you've just found your new favorite place on YouTube. Here, we turn everyday conversations, real-life podcast episodes, and authentic English into simple, fun, and clear lessons that you can actually use in your real life. Whether it's at work, while traveling, chatting with friends, or preparing for your next big opportunity. This channel is perfect for anyone who wants to improve listening, speaking, pronunciation, and vocabulary without feeling stressed or bored. Through podcast-style episodes, listening challenges, real conversation breakdowns, role plays, storytelling, and cultural insights, we give you the tools to build real-world English fluency step by step. Every week, you'll find new videos packed with useful phrases, native expressions, grammar tips, speaking practice, and mini quizzes to test what you've learned. We believe learning should feel natural, just like having a conversation with a friend. So whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or somewhere in between, you're in the right place. Our approach is not about memorizing long word lists or drilling grammar rules. It's about understanding how English is really spoken and used, and helping you grow your confidence through listening and repeating, thinking in English, and using real-world content that's practical and fun. You'll also get to join a global community of English learners from around the world. Share your answers in the comments. Ask questions, practice what you learn, and even get featured in future videos. So, what can you expect? Full podcast-style conversations, reaction videos to native English speakers, pronunciation exercises, travel English, work English, dating English, music-based lessons, daily vocabulary tips, and powerful strategies to boost your fluency, all in one place. If you've ever felt nervous when speaking, or like you understand English in your head but can't say it out loud, we're here to help you overcome that. It's time to stop just studying English and start using it. Imagine yourself understanding real English podcasts with ease, replying confidently in conversations, and finally feeling fluent, not just in theory, but in real life. That's what we're building here, and you're invited to be part of it. New videos drop every week, sometimes more, and we've got something special coming soon. A free PDF guide to help you build your own daily podcast learning routine. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss a lesson. Let's make learning English the most enjoyable part of your day. Tell us in the comments where you're from, why you're learning English, and what you'd love to see on this channel. Because this isn't just my channel, it's our community. So welcome to the family. Welcome to Learn English with Podcasts. Now let's get started.